In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to tasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Asana project and make sure you're in the list view where you can see all of your tasks clearly organized. This view is essential because adding tags to tasks in list view is straightforward and efficient. Now, take a look at the end of the last column header in your table. You should see a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to expanding your workspace in Asana, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click it, a pop-up menu will appear, giving you the option to add new project fields and columns. In this pop-up, you'll find a search bar. Here, you can type the word tags. As you enter that, you will see the tags option pop up in the results. Click on it to create a dedicated column for tags right in your list. This action allows you to categorize your tasks more effectively, making them easier to manage. With that new tags column in place, let's move on to tagging your tasks. Look for the empty cell beneath the tags column next to the task you wish to categorize. Click on that empty cell and a small window will pop up on your screen. Now it's time to type the name of your desired tag. As you start typing, you might notice that Asana is smart enough to suggest existing tags that match what you're writing. This functionality is super helpful because it saves you time. If you see a tag that fits, go ahead and select it. But if you're looking to create a brand new tag that doesn't exist yet, simply press Enter, and Asana will instantly create that tag for you. Once you've tagged your task, you can repeat this process for any additional tasks in your project. These tags are a fantastic way to filter and search for specific types of work throughout your entire project. They help keep things organized and ensure that you can quickly locate tasks based on categories or themes you've created. After you've tagged everything, take a moment to check your results. You should be able to see the tags you've added next to each relevant task. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your workflow and ensure that everything stays organized. And there you go. You've successfully added tags to tasks in Asana. This simple method will not only add clarity to your project, but also enable you to find and sort tasks effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of Asana and other productivity tools. Happy tagging, and see you.